Today we are going to talk about field in this intro video, what field means and why field is a part of one of the 6 F's and how it pertains to presence, purpose, and process.
Correct.
So why don't you just share your little insight on field and your thoughts on that?
Yeah, so field really is the way that we articulate in the F's how everything comes together and plays out for you in your field, in the field, practically in the natural. So it's your space in life that you're able to practically display what it is that's inside of you, your presence, manifest your purpose outward, the process in years, put into a place on the field, right? And so field is an expression. It's your place and space of being able to display all that God has put inside of you ultimately. Is there anything else you'd add to that?
No, it's your career, it's what you're doing. I think for me, I come back to how it connects to presence, purpose, process. I think again, field would line up with purpose, but always remember that your fundamental purpose, your primary purpose, is not this thing that you do outside of yourself, this career, so to speak, that your fundamental purpose is your intimate awareness of the presence of God within you. The practice of that intimate awareness and the practice of that presence manifests or becomes this field, which now is your secondary purpose, and that changes. That is a very seasonal thing.
Yes.
We were in full-time ministry for quite a season, for quite a while. But that was because our primary purpose, and we didn't realize it back then, was this cultivation of intimacy with the presence of God within me. There's no distance. I'm one with God. I am the light of the world. You are the light of the world. We come and we shed light and love everywhere we go. And as a result of that practice and that conviction, field shows up. So we're going to talk more about properly aligning with your field, your career, and purpose and all that stuff. So
hang with us.
Stay tuned.
It's good.
Ciao.
Stay tuned. Yep.